Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a frustrating problem that hits hard during those sweltering summer days. Your AC not blowing cold air. Even in 2025, with all the tech advancements, this issue can still pop up and leave you sweating. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step, so you can fix it yourself and save some cash. First off, let's talk about why this happens. The most common culprit is a dirty air filter. Over time, dust and debris build up, blocking airflow and making your AC work overtime without cooling properly. Start by checking your filter. It's usually located behind the return vent. If it's clogged, replace it with a new one. That's an easy fix that can make a big difference. Next, consider the refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant means your AC can't produce cold air, often due to a leak. If you're handy, you can check for visible leaks around the coils, but remember, handling refrigerant requires certification, so call a pro if you're unsure. Another potential issue is your thermostat. Is it set correctly? Sometimes, a simple reset or recalibration does the trick. Make sure it's not on fan-only mode and that the batteries are fresh if it's a digital one. Electrical problems can also be at play. Faulty wiring or a tripped circuit breaker might be the cause. Head to your electrical panel and look for any flipped switches related to your AC unit. Flip them back if needed, but if you're not comfortable, definitely get an electrician involved. Now, if none of these solve the problem, it could be something more serious like a faulty compressor or evaporator coil. In that case, it's time to call in the experts to avoid further damage. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing these issues in the first place. Clean your filters every month and schedule annual tune-ups. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should get your AC blowing that sweet, cold air again. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay cool out there. Thanks for watching.